So, what is reinforcement learning from human feedback? So, basically, this term reinforcement learning from human feedback is a big idea, but I will be letting you know the core basic idea of the reinforcement learning. So, what is this? So, exactly the point here is when there is a fine tuning of any model, we use this reinforcement learning to check the model has been fine tuned properly or not. So what are the steps for that? So first step is start with a pre-trained model. We should have a pre-trained model. Next step is we should have something called, we should collect the human preferences data. Basically, data plays a very important role. So collect human preference data, and then create a create or train a reward model. train a reward model. This is what is main important thing. Now, how to train this reward model? That is a reinforcement learning. That is through reinforcement learning. Now let's see how to train this reward model. So first point over here is, I'm doing it faster so that you get the gist of this reinforcement learning. To train any model, right? You need something called as environment. What is environment? Basically, you are giving an environment to that particular agent, that this is your environment, this is your room where you want to check some data, and then you should get the rewards according to that particular action which you are taking. So you need an environment. Next you need the steps. So steps can be defined in the init constructor. That is what we can define it in the constructor. Then third, you need something called as observation, so that you know what is happening in and out. And the fourth is the rewards or action to the rewards. And now you should define that agent which will follow all these particular steps. So what is reinforcement learning? It is a learning where it is used mostly in the fine tuning models. And how to start this reinforcement learning? You should have a pre-trained model, collect the human preference data so that you know what is the preferred answers, and train your reward model on this particular human preference data. How to train the reward model, or what is reinforcement learning? And this is the following path. Reinforcement learning consists of environment, it consists of steps, observation, action. The action, whatever action is taken, you are going to give the rewards, and that agent is going to follow all these steps. So now let's have a small instance of the reinforcement learning, how exactly it behaves. So basically, if you see, we have a class of environment. So environment is just it should be capable of handling all the actions. So we create a sample environment so that it can define everything in that particular class. So it defines the constructor with steps. So init is a constructor and is called to set number of episodes of that particular event. Then we have the get observation method, which is supposed to be the current environment's observation of to that particular agent. Then other methods are very self-explanatory, like you have the actions method, whether it is done or not, how many steps are left, and this is the action. Like if there is any exception, we are saying game is over, and if there are if and accordingly we are decreasing the steps from here. And the action gives always rewards, and those are by random rewards. So this is kind of a sample environment. Do not take this as a productionized reinforcement learning. There's a dummy reinforcement learning code just to show you how it works. So now we are defining a class of agent where this agent have the total rewards as 0, and it defines the steps. Like it checks the observation. So according to observation, it takes the action, and according to action, it will take the random rewards, and according to that, it is going to take the rewards, and that's how it is going to behave it. So see, and if according to that particular steps, right, you're going to I plus 1 like a next step, once that step is completed. So once the agent completes a step, it moves to the next step, it will iterate it. So that's it. I mean, this is what is the simple reinforcement learning code, just in a small gist I just explained you. Thanks for watching.